I uploaded 72 videos in 30 days and the results might surprise you. If you're thinking about doing daily uploads to grow fast, please watch this video first. Let's just jump right into the stats. Of the 72 videos that we uploaded, 30 of them were long form videos and 42 of them were short form videos. And across all of that content, we ended up with 25.8 thousand total views, which might sound like a lot for a new channel, but believe me, these results are not great because most of those views actually came from the shorts that I uploaded, and I only uploaded those shorts about halfway through the challenge, and I will explain more on that later. We also got 1,000 impressions on our long form videos, which is not great. Because bear in mind, we uploaded 30 long form videos, one every single day, and all but one of those videos had less than 50 impressions each, which is honestly terrible. I run another YouTube channel that I've been doing for over 6 months now, and I can tell you, if you want to get views on your long form video, your impressions need to be 1,000 plus, or you're just not going to get meaningful views. So this was not the results that we expected on the long form videos. In terms of watch time, we managed to gain 8 hours of watch time on the long form videos, but most of that watch time probably came from yours truly, purely because I didn't want my long form videos to have 0 views. It's not really attractive if someone sees it on their feed or on their suggested videos. So I wanted it to at least have 1 view. So when I would upload the video, I would give it a watch, I would give it a like, I would drop a pinned comment, and I would hope that that was going to help people actually click on the video and watch it, provide a little bit of that social proof, but it doesn't seem to have actually worked. And in terms of subscribers that we gained all but 1 subscriber from our long form videos. So if we compare this to the performance of the shorts actually gave us 13 subscribers and 46 hours of watch time. So clearly the shorts performed much better than the long form videos, but that wasn't the original focus of this challenge. And most days, my long form videos, which was what I really wanted to perform and what I really care about, they actually got less than 10 impressions each per day. And like I said before, you're just not going to get views if your impressions are that low. I actually decided to break my own rules on this channel. Initially, I'd set out to do 30 days of just long form content, uploading it daily. And then after those 30 days, I was going to do another 30-day challenge where I would do the long form content daily, but also add in short form videos daily as well to promote those long form videos. I actually pivoted around about day 15 of this challenge because I noticed that the long form videos just weren't getting enough impressions, and I thought I'm either going to continue posting these long form videos daily for the next 15 days and be asking myself, why am I doing this? Because I'm not getting impressions and I'm not getting views. Or I'm going to have to actually do something about it. If YouTube's not going to show my long form videos to people, I'm going to have to go out and post shorts and try and get people to come and watch those long form videos. So that is exactly what I did. Around about day 15, I started dropping in about 2 to 3 shorts per day. And those shorts had a related video which you can add on to your shorts that basically linked to the long form video. And I also added a call to action at the end of a lot of those shorts, basically asking people to tap the video below, i.e. the related video, if they wanted to see the whole thing. So we'll go over the stats as to whether that actually worked or not, because that's an interesting topic. Do short form videos actually lead people to watch your long form content? The shorts actually did start to bring in some traction if we look at the numbers. So 10 of the shorts actually hit over 1,000 views, and the comments and the subscribers started to slowly trickle in. So that was a promising sign. But what actually made the biggest difference on this whole challenge? So one short that I posted about scripting, that actually got me 2 subscribers. And a progress short that I posted on day 25, basically updating people on the progress, which was the fact that I was getting virtually 0 views still, it actually triggered a lot of thoughtful comments. There was a lot of people giving me words of encouragement, and that was really nice to see. And it also got 23 likes at the point that I've actually gathered all of this data. It might have more likes now. And one viewer actually watched a full 9+ minutes of one of my long form videos, and they came directly from a short. So on the screen I'll show you just now, you can see this statistics are from related shorts. It's views on my long form content directly from related shorts, and you can see there that someone watched 9+ minutes. However, we only received 12 views of our long form content directly from the related shorts function, and the majority of those actually received less than 15 seconds of watch time, which is not great. It's not what we want. So is shorts plus long form content a magic combo? Well, based on the stats that I've gathered so far, not really. But at the end of the day, it did help. What surprised me about this challenge is it actually brought a deeper emotional toll that I didn't expect. So around about day 22 of the challenge, I hit burnout hard. And the reason being is I was working all day, my eyes were bloodshot, and I had broken blood vessels from staring at screens for an unhealthy amount of hours, and my laptop was almost on fire just from all of the editing and thumbnail designing and everything that I was doing. It was just non-stop. And at the same time, I was running my business. I was also creating content for 2 channels, and like I said, I was designing thumbnails. I was spending a lot of time actually creating the thumbnails for this personal brand channel, because I knew that if I didn't put the work into the thumbnails, all of the time spent on actually creating the content would have been for nothing, because nobody would click. But at the end of the day, because YouTube didn't give me more than say 50 impressions on each video, it really was for nothing. And even just keeping up with life in general amongst all of the chaos of this 30-day challenge, it nearly broke me. But at the end of the day, here I am, I've made it, we're at the finish line. So here's the hard truth that I'd like to share with you right now. YouTube is not a quick win. This challenge didn't blow up my channel, but it built something more important. It gave me consistency, clarity, and it also gave me self-belief. This is what 30 days of daily uploads actually looks like. And tomorrow I'll be sharing with you exactly what I learned, the mindset, the changes that I would make, and whether I think this was actually worth it or not. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.